Hi, I'm Adam Brinkman, Lichtsinn RV sales consultant. You hear a lot about smaller RVs, but at Lichtsinn RV, we also have RVs for those that want a little bit more room for their travels. We have a number of Class A gas and diesel motorhomes in stock now, ready for immediate delivery. We'll start with the gas-powered Winnebago Vista 33K. The Vista 33K is built on the Ford F53 chassis, which includes the Winnebago Driver Confidence Package. This double slide-out floor plan features a full wall slide-out, providing expansive living space and a bath and a half. Your full master bath can be found in the rear of the coach, while the mid-coach bath provides privacy from the master suite that includes a king-size bed. Our in-stock 33K includes theater seating and the powered studio loft bed. Moving on, let's take a look at the gas-powered Winnebago Adventure, which is also built on the Ford F53 chassis. You'll find deluxe features throughout the Adventure, such as Corian countertops, an electric fireplace, and a walk-around king-size bed. The Winnebago Adventure 34W is in stock and includes 2 slide-outs, a large theater seating area, a washer-dryer combination, and a powered studio loft bed. The Winnebago Adventure 35F features a double slide-out floor plan with a bath and a half, a washer-dryer combination, and powered theater seating. It is in stock and ready to go. Next, we have the diesel-powered Winnebago Forza built on the Freightliner XCS chassis, which includes the extended Winnebago Carefree Diesel Living Warranty. Deluxe features can be found throughout the Forza, including Corian countertops, a 50-inch HD TV, and 2 air conditioning units, and a 6,000-watt generator to ensure you have the power you need for your comfort. The Winnebago Forza 34T includes 2 slide-outs, a king-size bed, and 153 cubic feet of exterior outside storage. Our in-stock Forza 34T includes the electric fireplace, you have the powered studio loft bed, theater seating. In the rear, you're going to find the stacked washer and dryer, and on the outside, we have the exterior entertainment center. The Winnebago Forza 36H floor plan is a triple slide-out floor plan, which includes a massive 222 cubic feet of exterior outside storage. Our in-stock Forza 36H includes the powered overhead studio loft bed, a king-size bed, a stacked washer and dryer, and the exterior entertainment center. And finally, the flagship Winnebago Class A diesel, the Winnebago Journey. The Winnebago Journey is built on the Freightliner XCM modular rail bridge chassis and is powered with an 8,000-watt generator, a 3,000-watt inverter, and 6 deep cycle marine batteries. Luxurious features can be found throughout the Winnebago Journey. The Winnebago Journey 34N features a king-size bed, retractable main living area TV, an electric fireplace, and a glide and dine dining table and chairs. Our in-stock Journey 34N includes heated flooring, theater seats, dishwasher, and a stacked washer and dryer you find in the rear. Find these RVs and many more on our website with detailed photos and video. Contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today to find out more about Winnebago Class A gas and diesel models ready for immediate delivery.